Two independent TDs have threatened legal action to prevent the Minister for Finance finalising a restructuring of the promissory notes without Dáil approval. The development emerged as a number of TDs turned up at the High Court to support a case taken by a Dublin businessman.
Independent TDs Shane Ross and Stephen Donnelly and Joan Collins of People Before Profit came to the High Court to support the case against the government's use of promissory notes. The move follows submissions by the state that David Hall had no legal standing to take the case. Counsel for the state said Mr Hall complained that Dáil powers had been impugned, yet no TD had taken any action. But the court was told Shane Ross and Stephen Donnelly have told the Minister for Finance they may yet seek an injunction to stop him reaching agreement on restructuring of the promissory notes without the approval of the Dáil. In reply to letters earlier this month, the Minister said should Dáil approval be required, it would be sought at the appropriate time. Deputies Ross and Donnelly said if there was a difference of opinion, they will go to the courts. Solicitor Tony Williams said far from being neutral on this issue, these TDs had a long history of speaking out publicly on the validity of the promissory notes, but they'd been told by the Minister to stand back and wait for the outcome of this case. Counsel for the State, Michael McDougall, said the TD's presence in court and the existence of the letters did not change anything. It showed they were aware of this case and chose not to join it. David Hall is challenging the validity of the promissory notes created without a Dáil vote and their duration. He wants the court to declare them invalid under the Constitution. After a 4-day hearing, Mr Justice Nicholas Kearns said he had a lot to think about and he would deliver judgment at a later date. Vivian Traynor, RTE News at the High Court.